Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and device. Install Instabridge, sign in, and grant location and Wi-Fi permissions so the app can discover networks. Once done, make sure your phone Wi-Fi is on and actively scanning for hotspots. Now open Instabridge and allow it to sync saved networks. This sync is why you get shared passwords from other users. Then tap the Networks tab to list nearby hotspots. From here, you'll pick a network to view details and attempt a connection. Once you've found a strong signal with good user ratings, tap that hotspot to open details. If the password is shared, press Show Password or choose Connect via Instabridge to let the app apply saved credentials automatically. Make sure you read any notes about captive portals or special login steps. Sometimes you must open the browser to accept terms. If Auto Connect isn't supported, tap Copy Password, switch to your device Wi-Fi settings, paste the password, and select Join to initiate the connect. After joining, confirm the device shows connected and load a web page to test access. Sometimes you're connected to Wi-Fi but need to accept terms on a captive portal. If the network fails, forget the network in your Wi-Fi settings, then re-add using the copied password or retry Instabridge's Connect feature. Make sure the app is up to date and has necessary permissions. If problems persist, force a sync in Instabridge or reboot your phone. Quick tip: clear the app cache before re-attempting a failed login.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.